If you want to improve your writing key, check spelling errors faster and get grammar suggestions while you type. Then installing Grammarly on your laptop is a great place to start. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Grammarly on a laptop, step by step, so you can get it set up quickly and start using it right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have on your laptop. In the address bar, type grammarly.com/desktop or go directly to the Grammarly desktop page. Once the page loads, you should see the option to download Grammarly for your computer. Now look for the button that says Get Grammarly, it's free. Click that button to start downloading the installer setup file. Depending on your browser, the file may begin downloading right away, or you may be asked to confirm the download first. Just allow it to continue. After the file finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder on Windows. You can open File Explorer and click Downloads from the left side panel, or use the download icon in your browser if it shows the file there. Find the Grammarly installer file. On Windows, it will usually be an .exe file. Double-click that file to begin the installation process. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. Then, the Grammarly setup window will open and begin installing the app. Follow the prompts on the screen. In most cases, you just need to wait while Grammarly installs automatically. If any setup options appear, read them carefully and continue through the installation until it finishes. Once the installation is complete, launch the app if it doesn't open automatically. Grammarly may ask you to sign in, so go ahead and log in with your Grammarly account, or create one if you don't already have one. After you sign in, Grammarly will be ready to use on your laptop. You should now see the Grammarly widget icon floating on your screen when you're typing, which makes it easy to catch grammar, spelling, and clarity issues in real time. On Windows, you may also notice the Grammarly icon appear in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. That means the app is running in the background and ready whenever you need it. From here, you can start typing in documents, emails, browser text boxes, and other supported apps, and Grammarly will help you polish your writing as you go. So that's how to install Grammarly on a laptop in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.